Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affairs of 15th September. In this video we will cover some facts of current affair MCQ and static GK. Let's start. Hindi Divas celebrated on Recently we celebrated Hindi Divas on 14th September. International Tea Summit has been organized in Kerala, Kochi. So International Tea Summit has been organized in Kerala, Kochi. If we talk about its highest production of Kerala, that is rubber. In India, Kerala has the highest production of rubber. Recently, PATA Golden Award has gone to Kerala for tourism development. So, International Tea Summit in Kerala, Kochi. Dainik Parcel train started from. So, Dainik Parcel train started by railway in Kashmir. So, Dainik Parcel train started from Kashmir. Recently, Vice President Secretary has been appointed, named as Amit Khare, also an IS officer. First historical woman Jal Yatra Abhiyan started by Rajnath Singh. So, first historical woman Jal Yatra Abhiyan started by Rajnath Singh. Recently, Farida Parveen passed away related to. So, she is related to folk singer of Bangladesh. Farida Parveen. 20th World Athletics Championship to be held in Tokyo, Japan. Association for Democratic Reform Establishment passed away. So, who established the Association for Democratic Reform has been passed away. Name is Jagdeep Chokar. Women Asia Cup 2025 hockey team winner is China, and silver award goes to India. So, Women Asia Cup 2025 winner is China and second India. Silver medal. India's biggest and modern sport complex inaugurated by Amit Shah in Ahmedabad. So, India's biggest and modern sport complex inaugurated by Ahmedabad. By Amit Shah in Ahmedabad. First to enter in the World Athletics Championship finale in the high jump. So, the person who entered the World Athletics Championship finale in the high jump became Sarvesh Kushare. Sarvesh Kushare became the first to enter in the World Athletics Championship finale in high jump. Who take oath in interim government Prime Minister in Nepal? So, Sushila Karki has been taken oath in interim government in Nepal as a Prime Minister. Now moving to some MCQ of today's current affair. Engineers Day in India is celebrated on 15 September in honor of which engineer? That is Sir Mokshagundam Vishweshwarya. So Sir M Vishweshwarya के याद में हम 15 September को Engineers Day बनाते हैं. On 15 September, which international day is observed globally? So, International Day of Democracy. Globally, we observed International Day of Democracy. PM Modi visit 13 to 15 September 2025 included inauguration of project worth 71,850 crore rupees. Which defense event did PM Modi inaugurated in Kolkata on 15 September 2025? That is Combined Commanders Conference in Kolkata, inaugurated by PM Modi. During his Manipur visit, 13 to 15 September 2025, PM Modi met victims of ethnic violence unrest. So now we will talk about static GK. So today we will talk about some highest peak of India, which is important for your upcoming examination. So Kanchenjunga, highest peak of India, कहाँ पे लोकेट है? सिक्किम में. Nanda Devi, which is 7,816 meter, located in Uttarakhand. Kamet, Gharwal region of Uttarakhand. So Kanchenjunga height is important, that is 8,586 meter. Okay. So Saltoro Kangri, located in Saltoro Karakoram. Tasir Kangri, located in eastern Karakoram, Ladakh. Mamasto Kangri, Ladakh. Rimo, Karakoram. Abhigamin, Uttarakhand, India and Tibet. Nun and Kun, Twin Peak in Janskar Valley, Ladakh. Trishul resembles a trident located in Kumaon, Himalaya, Uttarakhand. Trishul in Uttarakhand. K12, that is Karakoram Peak in Siachen Glacier, Siachen area. Gurla Mandhata Peak near Kailashree, Tibet, India border. Dhaulagiri and Annapurna is very important, located in Nepal. Anamudi, highest peak of Western Ghat in Kerala. So Western Ghats highest peak is Anamudi, that is 2695 meter. Doda Beta, highest peak of Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. So Nilgiri's highest peak is Doda Beta. Guru Shikhar, that is 1722 meter highest peak of Aravalli range, which is very important, located in Rajasthan. Kalsubbi, highest peak of Western Ghat, located in Maharashtra, 1646 meter. Faungupi, Blue Mountain, highest peak of Mizoram, that is 2157 meter. Doda Beta, highest peak in Nilgiri. Mount Harriet, 365 meter, highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Island. So guys, we have completed important current affair facts, MCQ and static GK. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please share with your friend and support the channel. And thank you for watching and please take care.